Today I'm going to show you how I set up and pressure wash a house start to finish. So first you want to connect the garden hose to the pressure washer. Make sure you get it on nice and tight so you don't have any leaks. Here I'm connecting the downstream injector used to put the chemicals on the house. So now you're ready to hook up your pressure washer hose. Turn the water on, open the valve up as wide as it'll go. Here I'm purging the system of air. You just want to hold the gun, let all the air out of the system, out of the hoses, and till you just have straight water pumping out of the end of the pressure washer gun. In a 5-gallon bucket, mix a gallon of chlorinated liquid for pools, or you can just use household bleach. Next, add about 8 ounces of Dawn Platinum. Here I'm adding about another 1.5 gallons of water to dilute the chlorinated liquid in the Dawn. Now put the siphon tube from the downstream injector into the chemical mixture. Turn the machine on. Open up the choke. Before you start the machine, squeeze the trigger to the gun and release the pressure. Then put the choke back into the original position. Use the black low pressure detergent nozzle to apply the chemicals. Here I'm applying the chemicals to the house. Before I did this, I forgot to put it in the video. You want to wet down all the vegetation. After you apply the chemicals to the house, give them about 15 minutes to a half hour before you start pressure washing. Here I'm using the turbo nozzle. It's used mostly for concrete. You can use it on siding too. Just gotta be careful. Here I'm using the white 40-degree tip. It's for lower pressure. I figured it'd be safer to use that on this little porch. So here's the house after I finish. It's just a basic how-to guide to pressure washing. If you have any questions or concerns, you can leave a comment and I'll respond to you. Alright guys, hope everyone has a good day.